Hey there and welcome to my Livegood review. If you've ended up on this video, it's likely that somebody has sent you over to a Livegood page, or they have sent you an email or told you about it on social media, right? Livegood is absolutely blowing up right now, and for good reason. But in this Livegood review video, I'm going to go over the membership side, the products, and the affiliate opportunity that comes with Livegood. Now, I know a lot of you who are watching this are really interested in the affiliate program, and I just want to say, if you don't already know, it's a one-time $40 fee to become an affiliate, and then it's $9.95 a month to become a member. Or you can do what I did and upgrade to the yearly option. As you can see, I have joined for a full year. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over the pros and cons and everything in between so you can make a decision to whether Livegood is the right opportunity for you. I'm also going to leave links in the description so you can go ahead and sign up to Livegood. It will take you to this page. Fill in your first name, last name, and email, and reserve your position. The faster you do this, the better. And make sure you go ahead and watch the video on this page, the livegoodtour.com/bonuses, to make sure you understand how Livegood works, how their compensation plan works, and how their power line system and everything else like that works. Okay, so first of all, I want to go ahead and let you know that for the price of $9.95 a month, Livegood is a complete no-brainer. It makes absolutely no sense to not become a member if you are looking to purchase some of the products that they have for sale, because the discounts that you're going to get compared to the competition, you're going to be saving a lot more than just $9.95 per month. For example, if you go ahead and check out the CBD oil, I'll go ahead and click on learn more. You can go ahead and see the price is just $18 for 750 milligrams of CBD oil. Now, if you're somebody who buys CBD oil, you will know that that is a ridiculously cheap price, and that's because Livegood works on a Costco style membership, as you know, where you pay $9.95 a month, and that's how they're able to offer these discounts. If you don't become a member and you just want to shop the products on Livegood, you're going to be paying $28. So it makes sense to just become a member if you're going to be purchasing even just one product every single month. Now, if I scroll down, you can see the product comparison. Now, they have this for every single one of the products that they sell. And you can go ahead and check out their prices versus their competitors' prices. So if you want to go ahead and check out all the products that they have for sale, I'll leave a link to their retail store down below. Now, with that being said, if you want to become an affiliate, it's going to cost you $40 one time. And it says here you can earn up to $2,000 per month without enrolling a single person. But honestly, if you're joining just for that reason, I don't think it's worth becoming an affiliate just for that, because you really want to be going out there and actually promoting this system. If you believe in the product, if you believe in what they offer, I highly recommend that you go out there and you start referring people if you do decide to become an affiliate. Now, what I'll do is I'll leave a link below to a system that you can get a part of for completely free that will help you promote Livegood as an affiliate and start generating some sales for you, okay? Now, the way that their affiliate compensation plan works is a little bit complicated. So again, go over to this page, livegoodtour.com/bonuses, and go ahead and check out this quick video on the page here, and it will explain everything to you so you can get a better understanding of how the affiliate program works. Now, I want to go over the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you click the link below and join and upgrade through my unique link. So my affiliate, my enroller, my sponsor in this company is Jeff Amon. And as you can see, he's enrolled over 246 people at the time of recording this video. Now, once you're actually a member, if you just go over to Leaderboard, this is how you get taken to this page. Now, he is my sponsor. And if you understand how this works, is that there is a trickle-down effect in the Powerline and Matrix system. So you joining under me, who I'm going to be going out there and promoting this very hard this year. I know Jeff is going to be doing the same. You're going to be benefiting greatly from getting in under us. And on top of that, Jeff has his own marketing materials and sales systems that he gives to everybody in his team. So if you join below me, you're also going to be getting that. But on top of that, if you sign up using my link in the description or below this video, and you upgrade your account to be an affiliate and a member, which is going to cost you $49.95, and then $9.95 per month to continue to be a member. If you go ahead and do that today by clicking the link in the description down below, I'm going to actually email you and I'm going to ask you for your unique affiliate link, and I'm going to start sending traffic to your link, as well as I'm going to email you a bunch of bonuses so that I can help you go ahead and refer people as an affiliate yourself, so you can start building up your team and you can go ahead and share that resource with your team so that it duplicates and multiplies over time and you can completely explode this Live Good business. So if you're interested in the affiliate and the business side, make sure you go ahead and click that link in the description and upgrade to an affiliate and a member today. If you just want to become a member or just want to check out the products that they have for sale, go ahead and click the link in the description down below and it will take you over to their products page so that you can go ahead and, one, sign up for a member for just $9.95 a month, and two, you can go ahead and order these products and get a huge discount on your multivitamins, your super greens, your proteins, your CBD oils, your coffee, and so much more. With that being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to check the links in the description down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with somebody else if you want to share with them what Live Good has to offer and how amazing this product and this service actually is. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Click those links in the description down below, upgrade your account today, and be sure to check your email inbox for all of the bonuses that I'm going to be giving you, and so you can give me your unique affiliate link so I can start sending traffic to your link so you can potentially get signups and upgrades below you automatically, leveraging my traffic sources.